Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm sharing few kurti designs which you can make from your old block printed sarees. So let's get started. So the first kurti pattern you can try with your old block printed saree is this panel kurti with a overlapping pattern. Here one panel you can make from the saree's pallu, as you can see the border line, and another panel you can make from any plain fabric which is available with you. Just make a contrast from both the fabrics and make it, and then add few fabric buttons in the top. Add pallu's fabric to make the strips to add in the kurti's sleeves, and you are done with a beautiful top kurti pattern. This is another very unique and designer kurti pattern you can try with your block printed saree. Here the printed saree's fabric is used to fill the long V-neck gap and the side strips, and also to add the side panels in your umbrella cut kurti. So this is another very beautiful pattern, and this can be combined with a white or off-white fabric. Block printed sarees comes with a very beautiful print in the pallu section, so that part you can use to make this type of beautiful yoke pattern neckline, and combine this with any white or off-white color fabric. Vice versa, you can try to make your yoke with the plain fabric and sleeves with the plain fabric, and use the printed fabric of your saree to make the lower part of your kurti. Also, you can try 3 different fabrics to make your kurti, like the yoke pattern neckline from your saree's fabric, another contrast color fabric to make the lower part of your kurti, it should be the plain one, and a different contrast color plain fabric to make the sleeves pattern. So this is again a very beautiful idea, and you can wear it with any palazzo pant or any trousers. If you want to decorate your plain kurti, you can use the saree's printed fabric to make the long sleeves and the fabric buttons, and also you can make the strips from the saree's fabric to add it in the bottom of your kurti like this. To make this type of simple kurti, you just need a fabric to make the yoke pattern neckline and a long strip to add it in the bottom of your kurti. And also you can try a contrast color fabric to make the strips to add it in the lower bottom of your kurti, and the collar pattern and the pipings also you can make from the contrast color fabric. Saree's fabric can also be used to make these type of printed dupattas, and these you can wear with your plain kurtis. It will look amazing if you wear it with a plain palazzo kurti or a plain anarkali kurti pattern like this. In your plain kurti, you can add this type of strip. This you can make from the saree's border part, and just add it in the side of your kurti in a straight way like this. This is again a very beautiful pattern. With the printed part of your saree, you can make this type of ranglan sleeve pattern kurti. Here you can use a saree's fabric to make the sleeves and the strip in the bottom of your kurti, and rest you can combine a contrast color plain fabric with it, and also you can add these type of fabric buttons in the middle of the kurtis in a specific gap. Apart from the yoke pattern neckline, you can also use the printed fabric from your saree to make the top part and the sleeves of your kurti, and put the strip in the bottom of the kurti like this with the same fabric. Also you can use this type of pipings in the middle of your kurti, you can see in the pic, and rest you can combine it with a plain contrast color fabric. This is another side cut kurti pattern you can try with your plain fabric and combined it with the saree's printed fabric. Here you can see in the side they had used a rectangular patch to decorate this plain kurti and the sleeves part, and also in the side they had used one princess cut side pattern, and added the piping with the same fabric. So you can try this also, and use some tassels to decorate this neckline further. For a more eye-catchy look, you can try this front open kurti. Here the top part you can make from any contrast color fabric you are having, and inside you can put the saree's printed fabric. Also you can do some pleating work. I had also uploaded a video about this kurti cutting and stitching pattern, so you can refer that video to make this type of kurti. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.